There are several things that set Hornet Cutting Systems apart from other CNC plasma providers as well as other equipment providers. We're American owned and American made. We're also a service disabled veteran owned business. We take pride at Hornet Cutting Systems in hiring and training veterans that are transitioning out of active duty. In fact, we seek them out and want them to be part of our organization. And we love the values that they come with hard work, a good core ethics, and they value people. Other things that set Hornet Cutting Systems apart is our design methodology. At our roots, we started as an equipment retrofitter, where we retrofitted multiple other types of equipment that we did not make. And in doing so, we learned about what worked and what didn't work, as well as what's easy to maintain or difficult to maintain. As a result, we've designed our machines to be robust, to last for decades, as well as provide parts that are easy to source for repair parts and are not custom one-off parts. Some other areas that Hornet Cutting Systems is different is we design with thermal heat management in mind. Some machines have attached linear ways, rails, and gear rack directly to the side of the machine, which when cutting for long durations on thick metal can cause inducted thermal heat transfer, causing warpage and ultimately leading to bad cut qualities and bad parts. At Hornet Cutting Systems, we create thermal separated barriers in all of our machines to eliminate that very error mode. A couple other unique things to Hornet Cutting System design is we take the operator's experience into mind. One example of that is our incorporation of the automatic resetting pneumatic collision sensor, which uses pressurized pneumatic cylinders to ensure that the torch stays in the same position. When a torch collision occurs, the sensor detects a pressure differential and triggers an emergency stop in the machine that prevents damage to the torch. In contrast to other applications that use a magnetic fall-away, the operator has to get up on the table to reattach the torch. Where Hornet Cutting Systems, we can merely restart the program without having to stop, get up on the table, reset the manual torch, and go back and start the program. We design things like that into our machines because we want to design in optimization and efficiency for our customers. We design our machines with an industry best 5-year warranty structurally. We design the machines so that they're gonna last for a long time. They're gonna put up to rough, rugged environments. As we know, the fabrication environments can be varied, as well as very challenging in terms of the use of its equipment and maintenance. Our machines are designed to take punishment, abuse, and keep on running.